It's all good.
EMS. Ready? EMS. Yell it. EMS. EMS. Yell it. EMS. EMS. Yell it. EMS.
Woo! That my Destiny.
I feel so weird.
You rock, sister. What? What?
She reminds me of her mother. Your mother used to do that all the time. Cheerleading. She loved doing the banana. Do you know what that is?
Oh gosh.
Julian, can you do the banana?
No, dude, I'm too top heavy.
Oh God.
I do the banana, it turns into.
With my big old belly. Okay, a banana. I'm not gonna let you see this. You can see my back end.
There goes your lighter.
My belly's too big. Did you get the point? Like a shape of a banana?
There you go.
You can way
For
better than me.
real. Okay.